I'm gonna tell you how to add option function profinet in ABB robot. Unlike KUKA robot, profinet communication option function you need buy from ABB robot official. It's very expensive, but today I'm gonna tell you how to add this profinet communication with Siemens PLC without buying from ABB official. You can add this function by yourself, okay? Typically, if your robot is RI5, which means this teach pendant old machine, not genuine, not newest one, not omnium core flex pendant like the old flex teach pendant, this one, okay, this one. So first you have to check, basically, if you robot ABB robot, if you doesn't buy the profinet function from ABB hand, under this option you can see there is no basic function. You choose system information, you choose control model, system property. This is your robot type, your robotware version. As you can see, for example, you can see it on your teach pendant. This is the robot type. This is robotware version. And once you choose control module option, option means option functions such as profinet, profibus, devicenet, and option function. Once your robot installed, it will show here. Right now, if your robot doesn't buy from ABB robot official, this function is empty. And I'm gonna show you another one already installed option, or you already buy it from ABB robot. It should be looks like this. As you can see, if you buy it, you can see you already have this profinet controller device. Okay, you get it, profibus and Ethernet. This option already bought from official, or you already installed. You can check here. Also, you can check here. Control panel, configuration. Configuration. As you can see, if you installed, there is gonna be profinet internal device. Okay, you got it. So this is the first. I'm gonna go back. Okay, so the first thing you have to check the system information, whether you already installed or not, and your robot type, your robotware version. Okay, you get it? This is very important for you to conform. Basically, today's videos, if your robot project is like this old teach pendant, is RIC5 teach pendant, not omnium core, the newest flex teach pendant, it's easier for you to install profinet function without buying from ABB official. Okay, so first, once you confirm the robotware and robot type, you can download, press add in, you can download. If your robot is robotware for RIC5, typically RRC5, you can choose the correspondent robotware to download and install in your robot studio. You get it? So let's begin our topic, how to install profinet option function into your robot studio. First, confirm robotware, confirm your robot type, and download the right robotware from add-in. All of these steps you checked, then we begin this topic. We click controller. We click controller. We click install. We click installation manager 6. We click on it. Okay. First, we choose to create a new type, which is your robot type. For example, if your robot type is RRB 6700 140.1, for example, this is your robot, physically your robot type. Okay, this is the robot type. You have to must be identical with the same in the project. You click new. Once again, type the exact robot type. Okay, click next. Choose robot where which is identical with the project with your robot. We choose add in. As you can see, we browse robot wire. Choose, for example, we random choose robot wire 608. You can choose whatever must be identical with the real robot wire. Click on it. Okay, alright, add in. We choose next. We choose next. This is the option. So during this option, you have to choose which function you need to add in. Right now, this project we need to add in profinet. We choose industrial networks. Remember also for you can click DeviceNet, Ethernet, Profibus. Basically we use this one. Okay, because this one is for slave. This one you can be controller or device. You get it? We choose it and we click next. Okay, we click apply. Yes. So this is, we already built the real robot type, virtual robot type, and with robotware is all identical with the real project. Okay, then we're gonna find two files which we already create. This option function we can check is in C user administrator document robot studio virtual controller. We can find this one. As you can see, robotware, this is industrial function we added. Okay, this is the robot type. This is robotware version. Okay, so we're gonna find this file in C user administrator document. We're gonna find it. We click on it. We click C disk. We click user. We click administrator. We click file document. We click. We find robot studio. We find virtual controller. We find this is we built before. As you can see, we click. We choose this folder. We copy this system XM file. Copy it, and we put it in a fully new folder. We create a new folder. We put it this, and we go back to this. We go back. Wait a sec. We go back to this folder, and we're gonna find sim. We're gonna find internal. We have internal. Yes, as you can see, we have internal. We copy KID and the controller, these two files. We put it in this new folder. We copy these three files: system, KID controller RSF file. This is what we need. Okay, we build it. We build this file. We can find it in C disk. Same way, as you can see. User administrator document robot studio virtual controller. We find the name of folder we built in robot studio. We click on it. We copy this system file and internal folder, this KID and control RSF. These three files into the new folder. We put it together in a new folder. Okay, controller RSF KID system. As you can see, system, we already get it, the option, as you can see, right? So after we copy this already three files, we copy it, put it in the new folder, then we do the backup. We do the backup of the robot. So a lot of people don't know how to do the backup for the robot in ABB. As you can see, backup and restore. Okay, you choose backup system. If you have USB, you choose the USB you need. Okay, then you choose, okay, you do the backup. Once you do the backup, you open the backup file. For example, we already do the backup file. For example, okay, this is the backup file for ABB robot structure. So what are we going to do is we copy this. We put the system into replace this system file, the backup system file. You get it? And we copy controller RSF and key ID. We copy it, replace in the backup information here, I guess internal or whatever. As you can see, KID controller RSF. We replace these two files. Then finish. And you use the backup. Then you use the backup file to restore the system. You restore the system, use that already modified backup file, you restore it. Then you restart the robot, and once you finish the restart, the option file, you're gonna see it. The option, you're gonna see this. And another way for you to replace this system file and KID and controller RSF, if you don't want to use USB to do the backup and modify, you can use the robot studio to connect. You can use the robot studio to connect robot. You choose online, you click connect. You can connect to the controller. You can type the robot IP. Once you connect to the robot, you can choose transfer file. As you can see, transfer file transfer. You can put these three files into the robot. Basically, system file and KRD file, you can see it. These two files is internal. So this is today's other videos to tell you, without buying from ABB robot, you can install, you can configure this option function, profinet and profibus, Ethernet IP, DeviceNet master slave function for your project. Typically, once again, if your robot system teach pendant is RRC5 teach pendant, not the newest generation, is commonly used. You can do this way. See you next video.